Welcome to our guide on living room TV cabinet designs, where style meets functionality. Your living room is the heart of your home, and the TV cabinet is its focal point. First up, the modern TV cabinet. Clean lines, minimalistic design, and often incorporating materials like glass, metal, or high-gloss finishes. These cabinets blend seamlessly with contemporary interiors, offering a chic look while keeping clutter at bay. For those drawn to warmth and charm, consider a rustic TV cabinet. Crafted from reclaimed wood or featuring distressed finishes, these cabinets add character to your living space. They often come with ample storage, perfect for hiding away media devices and accessories. Looking for something luxurious? A built-in TV cabinet might be the answer. These units are custom designed to fit your space, offering a seamless look. Some even come with built-in fireplaces, creating a cozy ambience perfect for movie nights or relaxing evenings. Short on space? No problem. Corner TV cabinets are a smart solution for maximizing every inch of your living room. Designed to fit snugly into corners, these cabinets make use of often overlooked spaces while still providing storage and display options. For a sleek and contemporary look, consider a floating TV cabinet. Mounted directly onto the wall, these cabinets create a sense of space and lightness in your living room. They're perfect for small rooms or for those who prefer a minimalist aesthetic. Feeling creative? Why not try a DIY pallet TV cabinet? Made from repurposed pallet wood, these cabinets add a touch of rustic charm to your living room. Plus, they're customizable, allowing you to create a piece that's truly one of a kind. Last but not least, family-friendly TV cabinets are designed with functionality in mind. Featuring plenty of storage for toys, games, and media, these cabinets are perfect for households with children. Look for cabinets with soft-close doors and drawers for added safety. Your living room serves as the nucleus of your home, a space where comfort intertwines with style. Among its key elements, the TV cabinet stands as both a functional necessity and a design statement. In this essay, we embark on a journey through various living room TV cabinet designs, each offering a unique blend of form and functionality. From modern minimalism to rustic charm and everything in between, these designs not only house your entertainment essentials but also elevate the ambience of your living space. Modern marvels. The modern TV cabinet embodies sleek sophistication, characterized by clean lines, minimalist aesthetics, and a contemporary allure. Crafted from materials such as glass, metal, or high-gloss finishes, these cabinets exude a sense of chic elegance. Their design seamlessly integrates with modern interiors, offering a clutter-free solution while accentuating the room's overall aesthetic. Rustic retreats. In contrast to the modern, the rustic TV cabinet evokes a sense of warmth and nostalgia. Often fashioned from reclaimed wood or featuring distressed finishes, these cabinets radiate charm and character. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, rustic TV cabinets provide ample storage space, making them ideal for organizing media devices and accessories while infusing your living room with a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Luxurious built-ins. For those seeking opulence and customization, built-in TV cabinets reign supreme. Tailored to fit your space seamlessly, these units exude luxury and sophistication. Some even come equipped with built-in fireplaces, elevating your living room into a sanctuary of comfort and style. Built-in cabinets offer a harmonious blend of functionality and aesthetics, serving as a focal point while discreetly concealing clutter. Space-saving solutions. In homes where space is at a premium, corner TV cabinets emerge as ingenious solutions. Designed to maximize every inch of available space, these cabinets snugly fit into corners, effectively utilizing otherwise overlooked areas. Despite their compact footprint, corner TV cabinets offer ample storage and display options, ensuring both practicality and style in smaller living rooms. Sleek and contemporary. Floating TV cabinets epitomize modern sophistication, adding a touch of elegance and spaciousness to your living room. Mounted directly onto the wall, these cabinets create an illusion of airiness while providing a clean, uncluttered look. Ideal for small spaces or minimalist interiors, floating TV cabinets combine form and function, enhancing the visual appeal of your living space. DIY delights. For the creatively inclined, DIY pallet TV cabinets offer a canvas for personal expression. Crafted from repurposed pallet wood, these cabinets exude rustic charm and authenticity. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, DIY pallet TV cabinets allow for customization, enabling homeowners to create bespoke pieces that reflect their unique style and personality. Family-friendly functionality. In households with children, family-friendly TV cabinets prioritize functionality and safety without compromising style. Featuring ample storage for toys, games, and media, these cabinets cater to the needs of the entire family. Soft closed doors and drawers ensure child safety, while durable materials withstand the rigors of everyday use. Family-friendly TV cabinets seamlessly blend practicality with aesthetics, fostering a welcoming environment for quality family time. Conclusion. In conclusion, living room TV cabinet designs offer a myriad of options to suit every style, space, and lifestyle. Whether you're drawn to the modern allure of sleek lines, the rustic charm of reclaimed wood, or the luxurious appeal of built-in units, there's a design that speaks to your unique taste and preferences. By carefully selecting a TV cabinet that harmonizes with your living room's aesthetic and fulfills your functional needs, you can transform your space into a haven of comfort, style, and sophistication. Whether you prefer modern elegance, rustic charm, or something in between, there's a TV cabinet designed to suit every style and space. Which one speaks to you? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more home design inspiration. Thanks for watching.